Did you know that 24% of financial advisors have already tried video to build trust and grow their business? If you're in the other 76%, what's holding you back? Being on camera can feel like stepping into the unknown. Exciting, but out of your comfort zone. We all have that little voice in our head saying, my voice sounds weird. I look old. People will think I'm unprofessional. We tell ourselves things we'd never say to a friend. If you're serious about kickstarting your marketing, here are 3 tips to help you silence that voice. The day before you plan to record, get prepared. Find your gear. Where's that light? Untangle the mic cord. Then read through your script a few times. This way you'll feel ready when it's time to read it from the teleprompter. Also, pick out something to wear that you love. It'll boost your confidence. For the day of your shoot, have an EPP, Energy Protection Plan. It's been said that if you want to do something fast, slow down. Give yourself a buffer before and after your record session. Take 30 minutes before your shoot to find what makes you feel calm and centered. You might try going for a walk, listening to a guided meditation, doing some breathing exercises, playing a song you love. There's scientific evidence that this will boost your spirits. For me, it's always Fleetwood Mac's Rumors. Imagine you're having a conversation with your favorite client over coffee. What do they need to hear, and how do they need to hear it? And remember, let yourself be a beginner. It's okay to make mistakes. You are human, and your audience is rooting for you. They want to hear from you and aren't criticizing every little detail. These steps are all part of Idea Decanter's Video Growth Code, because we know that voice in your head can hold you back from building authority and growing your practice. If you believe in the power of video, we can help you create, engage, and convert.